Alright, today we will use the Visual Studio 2017 for learning programming. Alright, let's start with to show you what actually you can do with this Visual Basic. So I've created a sample program with three forms here that you can see. So once I run form 1, form 1 is basically just this with you can see a button that exits window, maximize window, restore windows, change the text and restore the button above. This is label 1. We are changing label to hello, changing label back to label 1, and after that clear label 1. This can these two buttons can move this button above. This is to restore the position. Of course, this is to change the button color to blue, restore the button, show time and tag date, and this is to move from this form to the second form, which looks like this. So let's just start the program and see what it can do. So you see, instead of pressing this maximize and minimize, you can use buttons to maximize windows and restore windows. You can change the text here, click on it, and the text is changed. Of course, if I click this button, the text is restored. I can change the label 1 to hello here, and after that, no matter how I click, it's still hello. I can change the label 1 back to label 1, and I can clear label 1. Okay, so now I can move this button using these two buttons here, and I can of course restore the position anytime I want. So this is the original position. Probably there's some programming error here. We can move this back later. We change this button color to blue. You can restore the above to transparent. You can show time and date on this button. And now we can move to form 2. You can go back to form 1 again, and the time keeps running. Alright, enter the correct number 1, 2, 3, 4 to go to form 3. We will do this last. Today, this button allows us to display the time of the day. You can start the timer rolling every second. We can stop the timer. We can reset the timer. We can move up and down. This is independent of what we are doing. The button is now uneditable. We cannot touch this anymore. So we can go back to form 1 and show form 2, and you realize it keeps moving. So if I click 1, 1, 1, 1, and I click on this button, it does a check and it will not go to form 3. However, if I change it to 1, 2, 3, 4, and I click on this, it moves to form 3, which I've not done anything here. So now let's go back to form 2, and now you can realize that it has been reset. So this is just to show you some of the things that you can do using Visual Basic. Of course, remember to stop debugging if you want to do any editing. So now we can go into the form and see how it looks like for form 1. So these are some of the programming language that I've used for different buttons. Of course, you can use them, or you can even search online. This one which I can show you later. So example, you want to change the button color to blue. You can go to Google and say change button color in VB 2017. And of course, there are many resources online which you can use. This is of course short form for button 1, back color, and of course you can read more for forum to know what is going on. Okay, that's for today, part 1.